Point. Today we're going to do something different with our stamp set. Hopefully you're excited. I can't show you the outside of the stamp sets, and I don't think I can show you the outside of our, I can show you the outside of our holiday catalog. It starts September 4th. It is so freaking wonderful. I can't even tell you. And I want to totally highlight our gorgeous designer series paper, but it's right over there on my table. I don't know if I can get up and get it today because I have a second live to do before I go to 3 or 4 meetings tonight, and then I have orders to put in today. So what we're going to use is one of my favorite tools, the Whisper White, my favorite products, note cards. So our note cards, you get 20 note cards in matching envelopes. It's item number 131527, 131527. I adore a matching envelope. Cannot tell you how much I really like it. We're using the Stamparatus, but not for what you think we're going to be using it for. We're going to use the Stamparatus for a whole new way. Yes, we are. And you're like, what way is that, Jamie? Well, let me show you, my dears. Thanks for asking. Chippy chip, perio. So our note cards come scored and cut and ready to go. You always want to go with the valley on the outside. If you see the bump, imagine that as your cellulite. You want to tuck that in. I said it right to your face. I have that nasty white bumpy stuff too. Is that PC to talk about? I had to laugh. Usually I put on one of my work shirts to be on live with you guys, or a nicer shirt, but today I'm wearing my shirt that says kind of classy, kind of gangster, or gangsta, and so I just thought it was funny. Okay, so why did I fold and score our note cards? Because we're going to create a very different looking card than we would with the stamp set. We can actually utilize that stamp set in a variety of ways. So what I'm going to do is kind of come up, and I'm going to use our magnets. So I'm going here. This is going to be a very simple case card, or kiss card, not case. Keep it simple, Stamper. And you want to keep your magnets apart from each other. If you've not heard that, let me tell you. Then we're going to take and create a mask. So I want to create a mask that's going to go across the front of this card. So it's actually at 3.5. So I'm going to cut this piece of paper down to 3.5. And this is why. I have a Wonder Woman sticker on the back of my card. It's a bunch of rhinestones shaped like Wonder Woman. I really do. Does that surprise anybody? No. But it is one of my favorite stamps because whenever I feel like I'm actually doing the super mom thing, I'm like, I'm a rock star, but I'm not really. Not really. Okie dokie. So we're going to take and we're going to punch a little mask here. Boop. You can use these pieces later if you want. And we're going to take this and we're going to make it into a fun little pumpkin card. So I have the magnet here. I'm actually going to take the magnet off. I have no idea if my ringtone comes across to you guys, but it's Meghan Trainor's I'm All About the Bass. And it goes off at the funniest time. And if I don't turn it off and it goes off in church, I just about die. But that's the kind of friend you have on Facebook Lives right now. So this is a coordinating bundle, and this bundle will be available September 4th. If you've not received your holiday catalog from me, make sure you grab one. We'll be featuring these stamp sets that are upcoming and bundles at our upcoming Getting Crafty Retreat in Big Bear Lake, California. And that is September 20th, 21st, and 22nd. It's going to be amazing! Amazing. Let me tell you. I was just at the, we go to a cooking presentation. Some people go shopping. I go to a cooking demo that a friend of ours does there in the village, and I told her that we were coming, and she gets so excited when my girls come. She just loves them. Now we're going to take a piece of pumpkin pie ink and a piece of our Stampin' Sponges. We're going to go into the corner here, just like so. This is a simple card, you guys. I really do not want to go up into these. So what you can do is to make sure you don't, is you can put a piece of washi tape or post-it note across the top. I get a little careless in my sponging. So watch this. I just put a sticky note right there. Boop. And I have not re-inked. I'm really just going to take this ink here, and I really want it dark on the edges. So I kind of splotch. I really like the texture of this, and then you kind of fill it in with little splotches. Like that. Boop, 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 boop. Oh my goodness. This is like adult coloring with less stress. I just like to schmooch things, especially when your day has been super busy. Now this is using my Stamparatus. I'm using the earth magnets that come with it. They're super strong. And now I can just kind of go crazy. Boop, boop, boop. You can make this as textured as you want. You can make it as dark as you want. I like the edges, of course, to be darker than the middle. Give it that robust, round feel that a pumpkin should have. Just like so. Now, if you want to order these come September 4th, go ahead and order from me. If you'd like to order it early, if you grab that starter kit with the Getting Crafty family, you get to get extra shopping right now. And you get 20% off on all your future purchases, plus Hostess dollars if you qualify. It's awesome. So that's our pumpkin pie ink pad. And that is item number 147086. 147086. And here's my little sponge. Now, we're going to free our little mask across the top. Use your earth magnets again. Boop. So the Stamparatus is great for numerous reasons, you guys. And this being one of them. I'm just going to put the sticky note just like so. And we're going to use the other side of our sponge. We're going to create a stem with our Early Espresso ink. I love pumpkin pie. I just bought myself my first pumpkin pie candles of the season. I made some Amazon returns today at Kohl's and picked up some really yummy smelling candles. That puts me in the season because here in California, we don't get fall. Not really. Not like my folks back east. So here we've just created a mask. We have our great Stamparatus holding the pieces down. And we're going to place this over here. I'm going to move my earth magnets far apart from one another. Are you ready for the magic? Look at your sweet little pumpkin. It does, you know what, that would look like a yummy caramel apple. Good idea. Let's go ahead. Let's do her. Let's throw this on here. And I'm going to cover those holes. Good idea there, Gina. I do like me some, but we're not going to use soft saffron. We're going to use crumb cake, I think. I wonder if it would be that or the crushed curry, but we'll see. Now, let's see if I can use the other side of the sponge. We're going to get creative with the sponge today, my girls. So let's go ahead and cover with some caramel. I don't know if this will come off the same way. I'm always up for an adventure. There you go. Actually, let's kind of do a little shadow right there. Just give it some oomph. Let's see how this came out. I am not the boss of this card right now, apparently. I love it when you guys hop in with some ideas. Now we're going to remove the earth magnets. We're going to remove our mask. And look at your pretty little caramel apple. Do the sponges wash? Yes, they do, but they're very inexpensive. So sometimes I get to wash them and air dry them. I don't put any soap, just water, because you don't want any soap to transfer over. Now this is a very simple stamped card. We're going to take and go with this great word that says, "Hey there, pumpkin." And grabbing a block. We're going to grab that Early Espresso ink. You don't have to go crazy for this kind of a card. It's really great. Boop, doo, boop, 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 boop. I have to stand for this. Hey there, pumpkin. Oh, so goodness gracious cute. So freaky deaky lovey-dovey cute. Yes, it is. I am so grateful we did this one together. Now, to make it even better, hold on. Let me grab some twine. Because I have to gift wrap everything. It's the this gorgeous linen, braided linen trim. It's 147808, and all I'm going to do is tie a little bow. So I just do a little boop, loop, and pull. I always make my bow a little bit bigger than I need, and then I fluff. I do a lot of fluffing, like so. And then I have ribbon scissors. If you're ever at my home studio, my ribbon scissors have bright red ribbon on it, and so you don't use it for anything but ribbon. You could, if you wanted to, unravel it just a little bit, but I'm not going to. Easy peasy, lemon freaky squeezy. I love this, my angels. We're gonna place a glue dot on the back of it. And with very little stamping, we have adorable. Yes, yes, please. I am so happy with this, you guys. Here you go. Look at that sweet little card. Do you love it? I love it so much. Hey there, pumpkin. Your cards, this is a simple stamping, one layer, no work. If you want to make it jazzy, go ahead, add a little wink of Stella to the top, like so. Why not? And you want to accent the shape of your project. So, with fall around the corner for everybody but Californians. Here you go. A little bit of fall delivered right to your door. Pop it in this cute envelope. You can even sponge the envelope. I'm about to go live for the Getting Crafty family, and then I'm heading off to some homeschool meetings, so hold on. Oh, that's a little bright. Hold on. Hi, Joel. Hello, my loves. Okay, it's a little bright. Gotta wear my shades. There. Oh, so much better. But here's our sweet little card. Super simple. This is the new Hello Pumpkin. Look at that twinkle on that, you guys. Wink of Stella. You're just too pretty. Look at that. You just add that little gentle, gorgeous wink. Catching the end. I know, but just catch it in a few minutes. This was a quickie too, because I'm already late for my Getting Crafty family, and then I'm off to a meeting for homeschool. So this is what was just a simple project with a stamp set that will be new, coming out September 4th in our holiday catalog. If you've not ordered from the holiday catalog and you'd like to, let me know. You can join the Getting Crafty family. Don't miss out. Grab this holiday catalog and all it is. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm gonna let you go. Please, please shop with me online if you have any questions. Contact me. You can see my blog at gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net. I will talk to you guys later. Hi, Wanda, my bear. I have to go. I will see you guys later. Mwah! Bye.